Hi everyone, today I would like to discuss about this posting of GL account and viewing the balance of GL report, how to reverse the document, how to hold the document and park the document, and post the park document. We will see about this content. So one by one we will go with the configuration one and we will perform. Already configuration is done in GL and we will be posting the entries and we will be seeing the reports. So first of all, we will be posting one transaction in GL /n FB50 to enter the GL account. If you observe the document, it is, and if you observe here, this is the GL accounts we have created. Make sure that um, how many GL accounts are there. I want to book one expense. This is the audit fee I'm booking. So if you go and see here, 1000 rupees I'm giving, and creating the bank account 1000, and you have to give debit here, and create here, and 1000 you can give here, and just text it, being audit fee paid. You can just simply copy here and paste it here in second line item. Okay, what you have to do is just keep on enter. Just you go to document and simulate it. If you observe here, 40 is the debit for GL account. Audit fee is debited, means 1000 rupees and credited with the bank. So we have to save it. This is the document number generated 1004 was posted. This is the one way to post the document. And what you have to do is like you have to see the GL balance FBL 3N. If you go and see here, like TS40, just click here. If you want to see that audit fee, where is the audit fee? You can see here audit fee 3001 was debited with 1000 rupees. This is the entry. This is the document number. You can go with the document number also 1004. You can give here. You can see the report. Here no account fulfill the selection of conditions telling. So what you have to do is like you just go with this and select the GL account. Here you have to give the chart of accounts. Then it will display. This is the one I have given. So you can execute here. This is the odd fee 1000 rupees I have. You can see the reports by APL 5N. Okay. And after that, what we have to perform next step is to like reversal. In SAP, there is no option to delete the entry. Why? Because some clerical mistake is done. Anything is done by users. Any mistake, man, they have to go with the approval of the senior person, and they let us let they to tell the mistake, and the authorized person should be the person should be there for reversal the document. It should be nullified. There is no like a certain deletion or corrections will be there. Just you have to reverse it, and again you have to post freshly without any corrections. You have to do it. So for that, what we will do is we will be reversing the document. For suppose I have posted wrongly, I want to reverse it. So this is the T code. We have to go and we have to reverse it. So what you have to do is like /n FB08 is the reversal. Which document you are reversing? 1004. Company code TS30. Reasons are there why you are reversing the document. So I will reverse in current period only. For example, what you have to do is like you have to fulfill all these things and you have to give and save it. Means like post it. Yes, 2001 was posted in company code TS40. You can see with the report like whether it was like reversal or not. Like we can go with this and we can see execute. So it was reversed. If you observe here, 1004 is the document of SA GL account. For GL account SA, reversal is document type is AB. So it's the generated by 2001, it was reversed. Now there is no audit fee, it is nullified. So we will see other one, hold document. How to hold the document? We just go with the /n fb50, just enter to give the details. What do you mean by whole document? First of all, we have to know about the whole document. What do you mean by whole document? Here, if you observe here, it is an activity of keeping a document pending for posting. Like it's some pending work is there in there, some fields are should be filled by the, we don't know. Like we just keep the whole document. After getting the information, we can pass it. So for that, what we will say is that it is an activity of keeping the document pending for posting due to want of information. Okay. When the information is necessary to post the document is not completely available, we hold the document. We are not having available information, so we will keep the document as hold. Okay, that's about the whole document. What we have to do is like we are stating that 3001 is our audit fee. We are debiting here for 1000 rupees. And again, what I am doing is like 1000 is the GL account of bank account. Bank is credit for 1000 rupees. And I am giving the text over here like a bean audit fee. Okay, bean audit fee booked. Audit fee book. Okay, what we will do is like we will go for the document and we will see how to hold the document. We just click here and click on hold document. Where is that hold document? We have to see. Just go to the document, and if you see here, just I am holding this document. There is a necessary of like information is needed to fulfill all those things. So that's the reason I am putting the hold the document. After getting the necessary things which you have to fill over here, then I can just I hold the document up to then, which was telling that 1234 was held. So I got the information that if the document is fulfilled all the attributes, you can go and you can held the document. Then what we will do, will be held the document. Okay, go to FB50 screen again, repost the whole document. How we will go? We will go with the edit button over here. If you see here, select held document. I have given number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just continue. Flag document 1, 2, 3, 4 does not exist. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 I have given, I think. Yes. This is the document. Just keep on enter. This is what tick mark, and what you have to do is you have to post it. The select and want to you have whatever the held document number again you have to give, and you have to post it. That's it. Again, it will be generating the GL account. This is about the hold and held document. And if you go for the next document, what is park document? What do you mean by park document? Park document is nothing but it is also an activity of keeping document pending for posting due to want of authorization. Means like anything is like you want the information from like you just park the document. Users will be keep on posting the park the document, and there is a authorized person is there. End of the day, he will see and he will post the document. So we should park the document. There is one activity like any pressure users is there, they should park the document. They won't have the authorization of post the document. At the time, what they will do, they will park the document and they will wait for the authorization. So if you see here, it is an activity of keeping document pending for posting due to want of authorization. Need for parking arises due to operation of tolerance group for employees. The documents are parked by the junior level employees and authorized by senior level employees. We can post it as it is, we can change it if necessary, we can delete, we can reset. So there is authorization for the senior level employee. For that, what we will do is like we will be parking the document. Again, we have to go for the FB50, same is the FB50 screen, and you can go with the same, whatever you want to debit, whatever credit, you just credit it, and you will do as per the, again I am doing, and here I am also giving 3000, and I am giving here the debit 1000 as credit, 1000 debit, 1000 debit should be always equal to credit, and here the mandate field is text is there, so you just give the bean rent, like you can give it. So what we have to do is like just keep on just we should park the document. How we will park the document means like you go to the document, just park it here, just keep on enter, just you can go to the document and you can just park the document. If you observe here, document 1006 ES40 was parked. It was not posted, just you have parked it. After that, what you have to do is like after getting the certain authorization, he will post the document. How you post the document means like you can go with the document and select the parked document. You can go with the parked document. You can do it like going with the FV50. You can go with the /n FV50. If you observe here, go to the document, you can select the parked document. Here is the parked document. You have to give the 2024 as a fiscal year. Continue, the document will fetch. This is the document. You can post directly by saving the data, or like you can go with the, yes, you can post it. You can post it directly. Document number will be generated. So this is about the parked document, and this is about the document posting and seeing that report, GL report, and parked document, hold document, held document, and we have reversed the document also. This is about the document posting.